Hi, I'm Tejendra, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Sydney. Today, let's review the Amazon Elastic Container Registry permission error message when creating a Lambda function with a container image. Let's get started. How to troubleshoot the error? Lambda does not have permission to access the ECR image. Creating a Lambda function with a container image requires permissions for both Lambda and Amazon Elastic Container Registry. When the role has full Lambda access, verify that it also includes the necessary Amazon ECR permissions. There are two scenarios that we are going to cover. Scenario 1. Creating a Lambda function from an Amazon ECR image URI in the same AWS account. First, let's log into the AWS Management Console and then open the Amazon ECR console. Select the repository that you want to use. Go to the Permissions tab on the left side. From the Permissions tab, choose Edit Policy JSON. In the statement editor, add the following policy statement. This policy allows the Lambda service to retrieve the container image from this Amazon ECR repository. Choose Save. We are then going to try again to create the Lambda function. As we can see this time, it's successful. Scenario 2. Creating a Lambda function from an Amazon ECR image URI in a different AWS account. In this scenario, let's assume that the Lambda function is in account A and the ECR repository is in account B. First, we are going to fetch the ECR repository resource ARN that we are going to use in the AWS Identity and Access Management policy. We can fetch the resource ARN from the Amazon ECR repository summary section. Select summary on the left. Select and copy the ARN. In account A, we are going to create an IAM policy with the following permissions and steps. Go to IAM. Select the user or role that we are using. Click on Add Permissions and choose Create Inline Policy. Select JSON. Paste this policy script. Choose Next. Provide the name and then choose Create Policy. This policy is required for the user or role to access the cross-account Amazon ECR repository. In account B, edit the Amazon ECR repository policy and then add the following statements. The first statement allows account A to access the Amazon ECR repository, and the second statement allows the Lambda service from account A to retrieve the container image. After setting the required permissions, we will test again. As you can see, we can now create the Lambda function using the container image from the cross-account Amazon ECR repository successfully. Now you know how to troubleshoot the Lambda does not have permission to access the ECR image error when creating a Lambda function with a container image. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.